How to create an account on Printify. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can create or sign up for Printify account. In order to do that procedure, you just have to simply follow the steps. Now you can use a web browser or an application. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So when you open up the application, then click the sign up button, and it's gonna take you to the next field where you have to start with the registration. So here you'll be asked whether you want to go with the email or a Google account. So I'm gonna go with the email address. So now you have to go ahead and create a password as well. When you're done creating it, click the sign up button located right at the bottom. So over here you'll be asked what brings you to the Printify. So go ahead and select that and click the next button. Once again, you have to go ahead and select what describes you best and scroll down to the bottom and click on next. Here you need to go ahead and select what you want to experience or what you have experience with. Now go ahead and select that. On the other field, you need to select where you would like to sell your products. So select the country of your resident, and once you've done that, click the done button, and once again you have to complete the steps, and here you can see that you've successfully created your account. Now you need to upload your custom designs. Once you've done that, you need to integrate your Printify account with a sales platform. Then you need to move on with optimizing your stores and start making money. When you've completed that, which means you've successfully created your Printify account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.